Hey guys, it's Million Dollars Photography here, where we capture the moments that captivate you infinitely. And if you're joining this channel for the first time, please head over to the subscribe button and just click it so that you'll be able to get videos, tutorials from us whenever we put it out there. So in this tutorial, I promised, like in the last tutorial, that's the top secret of frequency separation. So if you don't know how to do frequency separation, please head over to that video and trust me, it's going to be awesome. So here I'm done with the frequency separation. I'm done with the frequency separation aspect already. So as you can see, the before and the after. I did some little brushing on the background. You can see the background before and after. So in this video, I'm going to be commenting the dodge and burn. So without further ado, let's get started. So now here we are in Photoshop with our beautiful image already frequency separated. So what is dodge and burn? Dodge and burn can be explained or simply explained to be highlighting and contouring in makeup. That's the simplest explanation about dodge and burn. So going to be dodging and burning now. So first of all, you come over here to this button right here, then go to your curves, then you create another layer because we're going to do dodge and burn. So create another by pressing Ctrl J on your keyboard or Command J on Mac. So we'll head over to the curves one. You're gonna choose a blending mode called screen. As you can see, it's adding brightness to the image. And we head over to the curves one copy. I'm going to choose multiply. As you can see, also it darkens the image. So we're going to be inverting these layers. So by pressing Ctrl I on keyboard or Command I on Mac. So invert them. Now, what is the inverting all about? Inverting is like you are hiding it, you are hiding the layer, you are hiding the brightness, you are hiding the multiply. So whenever you've hidden it, you're going to, like you can see now, it's black, right? So whenever you're going to bring it out, you're going to use a white brush. So we're going to group this and name it dodge and burn. Then we open it up. Head over to the curves one. You can name this dodge. Dodge. Then we can name this burn. Then okay, before we start doing the dodge and burn, let me teach you a little trick on how to know where to dodge and burn. So we're gonna create a new layer here. So this is a new layer, right? So come over to your brush, change the colors. We're gonna use, and let me use the blue color. So wherever I paint blue, those are the places you're gonna dodge, and wherever I paint red, those are the places you're gonna burn. So you're gonna, let's increase the opacity. So you're gonna dodge right here. Gonna dodge here, gonna dodge here, and here, just a little bit here. Then we go over to the body, gonna dodge here, just a little bit here too, here. Yes. So gonna create another layer here. So we're gonna change our brush to red. So wherever I paint red, that's where you're gonna burn. So you burn here, 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 here. Just be very careful, honey. Yeah, so let's reduce the opacity. Why? Because just gonna burn just a little bit of here. Yeah, and also we're gonna dodge. Okay, just dodging a little bit, dodge a little bit. Then here, here, and here. So yes, guys, all the places painted red are the places you're gonna burn, and all the places painted blue are the places you're gonna dodge. Very sorry. Yeah, so painted. Yeah. So that's the trick, guys. That's the trick. So I'm gonna delete these 2 layers now. Yeah, that's it. So on our dodge and burn layer, this is our dodge. So we've set our brush back to default. You can either press D or X to change it back to default. So I use a flow between 2 and 5. It depends on how pronounced I want my dodging and burning to be. So let's use 4 for this image. Yeah, it's a very beautiful image. I love this picture, seriously. So leave your opacity at 100, smoothing 10%. Yeah. So come over here, you dodge, dodge here. Yeah. So dodge here. Yeah, okay, yes. It's good you always turn off your frequency separation layer. Why? Because when you're doing frequency separation, you've blended the skin tones, you've blended the skin as a whole all together. So there's no difference between the highlight and the shadows. But whenever you turn it off, yeah, you can see that the shadows are still up and down, like the brightness, the highlighting and the contouring of our face is still right there. So it's always good you turn it off so that you will get a better view of where to dodge and burn. So here, so you can see the before, after. So come over here, just a little bit, don't do it too much, especially on the skin. Just the bright part. All you're doing is to brighten the bright parts and you're darkening the dark part. But please don't do it too much. So we head over to the burn layer and burning the side of our nose. Yes. Let's reduce this opacity just a little bit. So yes. Burn here, a dodge right here, right here. So let's turn back on our frequency separation layer. You can see the difference. So you can see the before and the after. You can see that the dodge and burn has added a very good dimension to the face. You can see how flat the image was, and now back. Dodge and burn has made the image stand out. Yeah, so for me, I can reduce this burn just a little bit. Whenever I do it too much, you can reduce the opacity here. Or another trick is you can head over to the dodge aspect. Let's say you made a mistake on the dodge and you want to shade it back. Just turn your brush back to black and you paint. Yeah, so when you paint, you see that it's going to reduce the opacity of that place. So you're gonna undo that. Yeah, so this is our image. It's already dodged and burnt. Before, after, before, after, before, after. Okay, I think let's touch the lips just a little bit. Just touch it, just so you dodge the bright parts. Yeah, just a little bit, don't do the lips too much. Yeah, so we're good. So you can see before, after. So yes guys, this is the Dodge and Burn. We've come to the end of this wonderful tutorial. I hope you guys learned a lot, and please, if you have any question, don't forget to comment below on this video and I'll attend to you guys. I'm always active, so watch out for the next tutorial where I'm going to be showing you how to clean the eye. Yes, how to whiten eye. Yeah, this eye, as you can see, is quite dirty, so the next video, that's what I'm going to be doing. Yeah, so that's going to be eye whitening is the next video, so watch out for that guys. Stay safe in this period. Seriously, stay safe guys. COVID-19 is skyrocketing by the day. Alright guys, see you guys in the next video. Peace. Bye bye.